everyone, I'm Sophie, and today I'm going to guide my sister through a makeup tutorial. Woo! So this is Maggie.
Hi.
I didn't know. She's been in the background of a couple of videos. This is her first full appearance. And I saw this from Jessie Smiles. She did it with Nassim, except we're kind of reversing it. So Nassim knows nothing about makeup, and he was telling Jessie what to do, but now Maggie knows nothing about makeup and I'm telling her what to do. So we'll see how it goes. So Maggie doesn't wear that much makeup. Maggie, tell us your makeup routine.
My everyday makeup routine is mascara on my eyeballs, and that's it.
And that's it. So also we don't have the right color foundation for her, so you'll just have to forgive us for that. But now we're gonna start. I'll tell you who we're following. We're following a Kathleen Lights tutorial. But
Don't
she
know who
doesn't,
that is.
she doesn't know who it is now, and she doesn't know what it looks like. Okay, so she's already primed her eyes, but you need to prime your eyes, and I forgot the eyeshadow primer. Can you go into my room again?
Okay,
Okay,
eyelids primed.
great. So now you're going to take the shade Taurus. Nope, Libra. You're going to take the shade Libra from this palette that I have given you on a fluffy brush. Maggie has access to all of my brushes, and I'm not helping her pick out which one she needs.
This is a lot of brushes. Alright, fluffy brush.
Fluffy brush.
Okay, use
And-
this. Hold on. Eco Tools Correcting Concealer brush. What
And-
color?
I forget already. Yes, shade Libra, and put it in your crease.
That took me forever.
Takes her pretty long too.
Oh, good. Okay.
Now she took the Scorpio with her finger, and she's putting it on her eyelid. All over her lid. All over the place.
Over her lid.
Okay, now she took the same color on a fluffy brush, and she's buffing it into the crease.
You can use the same Eco Tools brush. Now she's
Buffing it into the crease.
it's like rays of sunshine.
Now she's taking the Sagittarius on a flat brush.
Okay, use this one. It's another concealer brush.
And she's taking the Sagittarius and she's packing it on her outer corners.
Ooh. Uh-oh. Whoops.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't wipe it. It'll make it
Her
worse.
outer corners.
Mm.
Like into a wing or...
No? And she's packing it on her inner corners. You're creating kind of like a halo eye, in her words. Do you know what a halo eye is?
No. Alright. Inner corners. Oh, shoot.
What'd you do?
I look like I have a black eye.
You look like you have a purple eye.
Okay.
Okay, now she's going to prime her face.
I look so bad.
So I put two face primers in the bag for you. So choose which one, because we don't have the one that she's using.
Skin Perfecting Primer by Angel Veil. I'm just going to take a little dab of this and wipe it all over my face.
All over.
I think that should be enough. Oh, it's kind of a lot. Okay.
Okay, now she's applying her foundation with a flat topped brush.
Ooh.
pick a face brush. She went for this brush. She went for an angled brush for her foundation.
Didn't know we were being judged here.
Okay, and this is her foundation. It's her winter shade, and she's a lifeguard, so this is her summer shade. So it doesn't match, but like I said, please forgive us. Hold that up a little higher so they can see what you're doing.
Look how perfect that was.
Perfect. There are only so many words you can use to describe that.
This is weird. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, I shouldn't spill the foundation.
Don't do that.
Wow. It looks so
It's
bad.
such a perfect match. Blend it down your neck a little bit. Yeah, just rub the brush down your neck. Now you're going to take concealer, and I have given you my concealer in the bag. Yes. And you are going to conceal your under eyes, and she puts a dot. So put the dots under your eyes.
Can do this like I see in the makeup tutorials.
Okay. And then she does 2 dots right here and like 4 dots on her forehead.
2 dots on...
2 dots right here on like either side of your nose, basically. I don't have a brush that looks like that, so just pick a brush you want to blend it in with.
Let's pick an interesting one. We're making the forehead lighter because we need to do that.
We're going for the vampire look.
Uh-huh.
If you
As
haven't tried
white
it,
as possible.
it's the new trend.
Okay. It looks so bad.
Give me a second. Okay, she's taking a loose setting powder and setting down everything she concealed. So she's setting
Using this
under...
Airspun loose face powder.
So she was setting... Don't use that. Just use the brush and tap it in. She's setting under her eyes, her nose, and her forehead.
Under her nose?
Yeah, where she put the concealer.
We're gonna do the chin too.
Okay.
Because I don't know why we're missing that area.
So Maggie's powdering the whole face, which is fine. Okay, now she's going back into the eyeshadow palette. She's going to take the Cancer
With what kind of
and
brush?
pop it on her inner corners with like a small, like
Ooh.
like a pencil brush or something.
I use this
That
one.
one's dirty. It's got pink on it. There's another one that looks like it though.
Let's use this one.
This one looks like it. No, that doesn't look like it. Never mind.
This one.
Okay, and she's popping it on her inner corners.
Which one?
The Cancer.
The Cancer. She has the Cancer. Inner corners.
Yes.
Well, I already put stuff on my inner corner, so
Well,
we'll just have to go over it.
Yeah.
Really accentuates my eyes.
Okay, and then she took a fluffy brush and she put that same shade under her eyebrows.
Did I use that one?
Yes, you already used that one.
I'll use it again. Same shade under her eyebrows.
Yes. And then she lined her eyes with blue eyeliner, but I don't have that, so we're skipping that step. Okay, now she's taking the Libra on a pencil brush and she's putting it under her lash line.
Can you use this angled one?
Great. The Libra.
Under what?
Her lash line. Her lower lash line.
Her lower lash line. Underneath of it.
Now she's taking a smaller pencil brush and she's taking the Aquarius shade and she's buffing it right under her lash line, very close to her waterline.
All the way across?
Mm-hmm. This is where the blue eyeliner, you know, it kind of blends it all in, but we don't have the blue eyeliner, so. And she's dragging that color, like, up to connect to the top of her, like, eyeshadow, you know?
Okay. I know what you mean.
Okay, now she's going back to the other pencil brush, the one that you used before. And she's taking and she's taking the Sagittarius and she's going underneath of where she just put the blue.
And the lash line, or
yeah. Okay, now she's taking Constellation, which is a liquid eyeshadow that I have placed in here. Okay, so I will explain this to you before you do it. So she took some out of that and put it on her hand, and she took a very small brush and she dipped into it, and she created a line on top of her eyelid. So like
a cut crease?
Like a cut crease, but it just goes from like a third of the way in to like, it's like, you know, it doesn't go all the way to the inner corner, it doesn't go all the way to the outer corner. So it's just like a line right there.
I think I know what you mean.
And she said to do it one eye at a time because it dries really fast. Now she's applying mascara. Maggie knows how to do that.
I can do that real well.
She can do that in her sleep. Oh, wait. She used her finger and she popped on some Cancer onto the center part of her eyelid before she did the mascara.
Oh, that makes sense, because there's two... Okay.
Yeah.
Cancer. Ooh, that is kind of pretty.
Okay, now she's taking a big fluffy brush and she's bronzing. She contoured first, but I don't have anything to contour with, so we're skipping to bronzer because they're basically the same thing.
Bronzing. What?
Okay. So she does her cheekbones and her forehead. That's what she bronzes.
I think the face part, if you take away the eyes, looks pretty good. The white is, I'm getting used to how white it is. Okay.
Okay, now she's taking On the Cusp her highlighter, which is in there. And she's using I'd say like a small, but like fluffy brush in that bag.
This one.
Okay, and she's dipping it in there. And she's highlighting her cheekbones. I don't think she highlights anywhere else. Let me look. Yeah, she didn't highlight anywhere else. Okay, now she's going in with the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in What's Your Sign, which is in that bag. Yes.
It's kind of pretty.
It is pretty. Okay, and then she sets it with setting spray, and then she's done.
I didn't like that.
Okay, so the video's over, and this is Maggie's look. I think, you know, she really tried. But now I will show Maggie what it should look like.
Wow, her lashes are so long.
Yeah, she does have long lashes. You have the same look, you know?
It's just not as great.
It's just not as good. Like, you know, you got the halo eye and this thing.
And the line going up.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't see the blue on her, on this part.
Yeah, well, she took it out.
And I see the line.
Mm-hmm. I'd give you like a B.
A B. Oh, I was thinking like a 4 out of 10 or something.
Yeah.
It was fun to do.
Probably a 4 out of 10.
Makeup is definitely not my thing though. So.
But I think you have the concept, you just don't have the ability.
I think the face I did pretty well on.
Yeah, the face looks fine.
9 out of 10.
It's just if you would have had the right color. But yeah, that's the look. That's how it turned out. Be proud of Maggie. Leave your comments supporting how Maggie did.
Thank you.
So that's it for us, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!